Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video I am going to prove the theorem 8.4 from chapter 8 class 9th. The theorem is that our angles opposite to each other in a parallelogram are equal. So let's begin. We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. To prove this, first we will take the triangle this ABD and triangle BDC. Triangle ABD and in triangle ABD and triangle BDC, what we have is angle C. We know that it is a parallelogram, so these two sides will be equal. Okay, so when in these two triangles AB is equal to CD or DC and AD is equal to BC, because opposites with the both of these statements have the same reason, which is that opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal, and this ABD is equal to BD because it is common. So by triple S, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BDC. By CPCT, now by CPCT we can say that this angle A is equal to this angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Now similarly we will prove angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, so let's begin. There are many methods to solve a theorem or prove a theorem, but I am showing the simplest way which everyone can understand. So let's begin to prove the angle B is equal to angle D. Now we will take these two triangles ABC and ACD in triangle and prove them congruent, ABC and triangle ACD. If we will prove them congruent, so by CPCT angle B will be equal to angle D. Okay, so let's begin. Now let's begin. In this triangle AD is equal to BC and CD is equal to AB, and this AC is common. AC is equal to AC. So by SAS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD. Now by CPCT, angle B is equal to angle D, and by this way we can prove this theorem. A theorem can be proven by many ways. I am showing the simplest way which everyone can understand. So if you like this, if you will practice this more and more, you will be perfect in maths. So have a good day, take care, please subscribe to my channel.